You okay? Comes out pretty fast when you don't have that cover on.
It's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's just water. Should I take it off? Should I take it off? Yeah. Bye-bye, babe. Oh, fun.
Right back at it.
Good job. It's okay.
It comes out pretty quick.
You're okay. Should we put the cover back on?
I think that's a good idea. Oh no. Keep trying.
You're still a big boy. Don't drop it. Thank you. Are you all done?